Sam was the quiet kid, the one who blended into the background while everyone else laughed, shouted, and competed for attention. He rarely spoke, rarely raised his hand. People thought he didn't care, but Sam noticed everything. The small details, the moments everyone else missed, the quiet signs that could matter more than words. That afternoon, the school sports festival was in full swing. Whistles blew, feet pounded the track, the crowd cheered. Students raced toward the finish line, their faces red with effort. Sam stayed on the sidelines, calm, watching. Then he saw it. A boy near the track, faltering. His steps were uneven, his chest rising fast, his face pale. Everyone else was cheering, distracted. No one noticed, but Sam did. Fear shot through him. What if he was wrong? What if no one listened? He hesitated for a heartbeat. Then the boy stumbled again. That was all it took. Sam ran to the nearest teacher, pointing frantically. "He's not okay," he shouted. The teacher acted immediately. The race stopped. Staff rushed over. Medical help arrived just in time. That small, quiet observation had saved a life. The next morning, the school assembly fell silent when the principal called Sam's name. Whispers filled the hall. The principal explained how Sam's alertness and courage had prevented a tragedy. Gasps ran through the crowd. His classmates stared, shocked. Even his best friend looked at him with wide eyes, seeing him in a new light. Sam stood still, heart racing, a small smile forming. For the first time, he understood the power of his quiet. Being silent didn't mean being powerless. Sometimes, the people who notice the most are the ones who make all the difference without anyone cheering.